Okay, this is gmoneydranzer and
Shadow 34581
with an unboxing on Race Striker. I had it for a couple of weeks now. It's pretty good. I already opened it, but I just wanted to make an unboxing. So this is my first unboxing. So bear with me. All right, let me see.
I already got my race striker on tap for a couple of weeks ago too.
All right, so that's how it looks, and that's the back. The stats are pretty good, real good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gotta focus. All right, there you go.
And then if you're wondering when we show you the tip is CS, not RF, because it has plastic in the middle.
Alright, so now the unboxing. Alright, so okay, so this is the little code thing that it comes with. And I'm glad that they put the stats on the little code too, which is actually pretty good. And baseball is race striker, of course. The energy ring is striker, 4 attacks, 2 defense, and 1 stamina. Fusion wheel is Ray, 4 attack, 1 stamina. Excuse me, 1 defense and 2 stamina. The spin track is D125, a broad defense ridge, 2 defense, 1 stamina. Performance tip CS, coating spike steadies top and provides quick movement. 4 attack, 3 stamina. Alright. See. Alright. I don't care if you guys really look at the code because I already used it, so.
Try all you want.
It really doesn't do no use to you. I think I already used it. Oh, I think I did. And if I didn't, I'm gonna use it now. Alright, well, start on with the unboxing. Oh yeah, and when you're buying Blade Blades, make sure they say either Hasbro or have that little the little gray sticker that says WBBA, which is the best brand because I bought a Blade Blade, it didn't have the sticker, nothing like that. And I ripped it and it like split in half. So look out for that sticker too.
Yeah, sometimes Takara Tommy can trick you too.
Yeah, I advise you not to buy Blades from that.
But if you're in Japan, then I guess go ahead.
Hasbro should have some Japan ones.
Yeah.
Okay, well this is the face ball, if you can see it. Energy ring in the face ball. And you're wondering, no, they didn't. The new ones don't come with the stickers. I already unboxed it, so.
Yeah. Whoa, wait, they do come with the stickers.
I'm saying not on them. You know, like how it has the stickers on there.
But oh yeah, these are mounted. These are mounted face bolts. So every Metal Masters that you see that isn't from the like real series, it's mounted.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's a really awesome blade to use. Alright, now for the accessories. Yeah, I taped this one pretty good. I should have used a stapler. Oh well, I'll just rip it apart. Alright, the launcher, light launcher, green, ripcord. This regular bullet. Oh dang. Oh, that was cool.
He took the box. He jumped.
Yeah, that was awesome. But yeah, that's it. So I guess we'll be signed. This is gmoneydranzer.
Shadow 34581
signing off. Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to Drigger GT
for helping us doing Beyblade videos to inspire us.
Well, to inspire you, not Okay. We'll see you guys. Yeah, we'll see you guys later in our next video. Bye bye.
Peace.